Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily and if you're new here then hello. I make makeup videos, lifestyle videos, fashion videos, all that kind of thing, and if you are into makeup videos then I only use cruelty-free makeup, so if that interests you then make sure you subscribe down below, go and check out my Instagram, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Today I'm going to be doing a fashion video. I've not done a fashion video in a while, but of course it is autumn and if you know me, I love autumn and winter. It is my favourite time of year. As soon as it's September, I have an excuse to be like, let's get all the pumpkin spice candles, let's wear the autumnal makeup, let's wear mustard every single day, and let's get out the little polar bear mug. I just love autumn and winter. So if you are the same, let me know down below. But today I'm doing a Primark haul. You will know I don't do many hauls on my channel because I don't like to buy a lot of fashion. I have a decent amount of clothes and I don't really like to buy loads of clothes just to contribute to the whole cotton issue. I don't like to be wasteful, I don't like to buy things I don't need, but I do like a good autumn winter shop, so I'll only go shopping when I feel like I need some new bits, and I felt like I needed a few more autumn winter essentials. So I went into Primark because it's affordable. They always have really nice, cheap, good quality things, and I thought I would show you what I got. I'm going to show you the first two things that are actually my sister's, just to show you what they've got in stock. But obviously there won't be try-on clips for these because they don't fit me. She's a size smaller than me. But first, she got this leather skirt. Now, I don't know if you're going to be able to see this properly, but it's just like a plastic leather skirt with a zip up the back. It's just like a silver gunmetal zip. And this is in a size 6. And I don't know how much this was actually. They had this in brown as well, but she liked the black better. I just think it's a really nice length. It's not too short, it's not too long. It fits really nicely on the waist, and yeah, it's got this kind of detailing down it. I really like it. I think it was around £13-ish. It's super nice quality. It feels really good quality, and it's lined on the inside with this really nice soft material, so that's great. The next thing she got was this corduroy pinafore. Again, I think she got this in a size 6. Yeah, again in a size 6. It's just a black corduroy, kind of velvety pinafore. I have one of these in the pink velvet and she always steals it from me. If you're new to my channel then you won't know, my sister steals everything I own. But that's how sisters work. You steal from your older sibling. It's just how it works. But yeah, she always steals my pink one, so she finally got herself her own. It has these little silver, clasps. And yeah, it's really good quality. I've had mine for 2 years now and it's still going strong. It's really good quality. You can adjust the straps as well, so if it's too long on you or too short on you, you can adjust it. She then got this one, which is quite similar. I love this. I wish I could fit into this. I kind of wish I bought it myself. But it's more of a structured pinafore. As you can see, it's got more structure around it. It kind of it goes in more. It's less of a flowy pinafore, more tight fitting. And it has a zip going right down the front. I have one of these in denim, but I just think the brown autumnal corduroy, it's very autumnal. I think this would look amazing with long sleeve tops. They have a lot of long sleeve tops in. I already have a lot of those, so I didn't buy any new ones. But again, this is in a size, oh, this is a size 8. It might fit me. So this is the pinafore. This is actually super stretchy. I didn't expect it to be stretchy material, but it's super stretchy and it's really nice fitting. It's really flattering. This is a size 8. I really love the square neck. I wouldn't wear it with this top just because the two zips together, it doesn't really match unless you kind of do it like that. But yeah, I think this is absolutely beautiful. It is so stunning and I'm definitely going to be stealing this off of my sister sometime. So you'll notice a theme here. Everything's cozy. Everything's very autumnal, cozy. I love a bit of cozy, So this is a jumper from Primark. Obviously it's from Primark. We got this in a size 12 to 14. It's just this teddy bear material jumper, and it's just really oversized because obviously I want it to be oversized. I'm usually size 8 in things for reference, so it's just a really nice teddy bear jumper. It's got the collar, it's got the cuffs, and I think this was £8. It's just so soft and such nice material. So this is the brown jumper. It's just a really nice oversized jumper. There's nothing special about it other than the fact it's so soft. As you can see, the shoulder bits start here, but they still lie really flat. With the size 10 they didn't really lie flat, which is why I got a bigger size. As you can tell also, I really love half zips. They're just like my favourite thing. You can really adjust your outfit depending on, you know, how much you zip it. So this was actually in the pyjama section. It's this baby pink like teddy bear material, so soft, half zip, and it's got a little pink circle zip on it. And again, I got this in a size up. I got this in a 10 to 12, just so it's a bit bigger, you know. It's got a high neck and it's just really soft and fluffy. This was £8 I think, and it's just the nicest thing ever. It's just so soft and I'm just absolutely in love with it. I've already worn it, hence why the tag's off, but it's just so cozy. Like, you can't beat a nice cozy jumper. Obviously it doesn't look very flattering with baggy jeans, but I would wear this out even though it's a pyjama kind of thing. I would wear it out. I think it's just really nice and cozy. Like, look at how fuzzy it is. It's so nice. So I love like autumnal colours, like reds and oranges and browns and like all of that kind of thing. So I saw this in the sale and I love these kind of style of tops and like the frilly edge tops. And this was actually in the sale for £2. I tried it on in a size 8 and it fit nicely, but it was just a bit tight on the chest. So I did get a size up and it does fit a much better. I'll show you on in the try on clips. Sorry if you can hear the kid next door crying. I think this would look amazing on like the slightly warmer days. If you want to wear a jumper on top with some nice mum jeans. I got some mum jeans and I don't know how I feel about them. They're my first pair of mum jeans I ever got, but I just think this will look amazing. I love this colour on me. Ever since I went blonde, I just love this colour. I just think it's so flattering. As I said, I got a pair of mum jeans. I always see people talking about mum jeans from Primark, and I always see people looking amazing in mum jeans. And I'm quite short, so mum jeans sometimes kind of just aren't the right style on me. I've never quite found a right fit, but these are a really nice fit. I saw Gemma Louise Miles talk about these in her Primark video, and she got the blue ones. I tried on the blue ones, and the blue ones are much bigger of a fit than the black ones. So if you try on one and you think, oh, I'll just prefer the other colour, make sure you try on the other ones, because these are a lot smaller of a fit than the blue ones. The blue ones were just a bit too big, they were just kind of unflattering, but these ones fit perfectly around the waist, and they've got belt loops, and they're just like a really nice, good quality denim. They have like copper hardware on them, and they're just really nice. They've got pockets on the back, and these are the Vintage Mum high waist jeans. These were £13 and I got them in a size 8. I tried them on in a size 10, but they were just way too big. So I don't know if you can really see, but this is the pair of jeans on. I think they're really flattering for a pair of mum jeans personally. I think they fit really nicely on the waist. They aren't too flattening on the butts or like too, you know, baggy and gross looking. Yeah, I would probably belt them just because I like a belt on a pair of jeans. And then the top, it kind of like comes down to here, but I always tend to fold it up just a bit, just to make it look a bit flattering with like baggier jeans. And I'm not wearing it with a bra, so you can't really see like how it would properly look. It would look a bit more like, you know, up. But I really like the ruffles and I really like the material. I really love that. So this is the jeans and the red top together. I think they are so nice. I then got another half zip. Now this is in this beautiful autumnal rust colour. I don't know what this is described as. This is described as orange. It's definitely not orange. It's definitely like a browny rust colour. So it's this like sweatshirt half zip with a silver zip. It's got this V section where the pattern's a bit different. It's kind of ribbed, and again it's got a high neck. I got this in a size up again just so it's a bit more slouchy, a bit more like oversized. And this is absolutely just beautiful and it's so comfy. And again, this was only £8, which is an absolute bargain. I love a half zip because if you're too warm you can unzip it a bit, but if you're too cold you can kind of like zip it up and you can kind of just adjust. Because I am one of these people, I get so warm and then suddenly I'm cold and then suddenly I'm warm and I can't make my mind up what temperature I am. So these are great, so I can just unzip and zip like whenever I need to. So this is the orangey kind of rust coloured half zip. I just love it. I think it's so cozy. It's nice and casual, but it still looks kind of cute, you know. And again, you can like properly fasten it up, or you can just have it open. And I just think it's a really nice material. Again, the oversizedness makes it not tight, and I just really like it. I think it's a gorgeous colour for this time of year as well. If you know me, you know I am a coat queen. I love coats so much. That is the one thing that I do always buy, because I think coats last forever. They're always going to be on trend, because like cozy and warm is always a trend. I have so many coats just because I love to change up my outfits with coats. I often wear very boring outfits, so to change my outfits up I like to wear funky coats, and I just love them. Last year in my Primark haul I bought 3 new coats, which is excessive, but I saw this one in Ellie Darby's Come to Primark With Me, and I absolutely just fell in love. It's like this teddy bear, like almost poodle looking material. It's so soft and squishy, and it's just like a puffer jacket kind of thing. It's got a high neck, which I love to like keep my neck warm, and then it also just has really nice, it doesn't have cuffs on the sleeves, which I kind of like. I got this in a size 6 to 8, but as you'll see in the try on clip, it's still nice and oversized, and I just absolutely love Primark's coats. They just do such amazing coats. They have so many in already, but Primark is one of these places, if you see a coat and you like it, do not wait until next time, because I learnt the hard way. I went last year and I saw the most beautiful like aviator suede, like faux suede, faux fur collared jacket, and it was £20. I was like, you know what, I'll just get it next time, and it never came back, and I still think about that coat every single day. I think it looks really good with my skin and my hair. I went in with my hair up. I never wear my hair up because I hate my neck. I just hate my lack of jawline and my extensive amount of chin. Double chin, not actual chin. I have a lack of actual chin as well. I don't know. And it still looked good, you know. And if you look good when I've got my hair up and I've got no makeup on, then you know it's a good outfit. And then I wouldn't wear the coat with the red necessarily, but this is what the coat looks like. It is so nice. Like, let me tell you, I love this coat. It is just the softest thing in the entire world. Like, I'm sorry, but this is so soft, and it's just, you can see it's just cropped in the right place. The arms aren't too long. This comes out nicely, and again, it's just, I love it. It's just so, I just love it. I then got another half zip. Again, I saw this in Gemma Louise Miles' video, and this is just like more of like a fleecy material, and it's just this beautiful cream colour with the black piping, again with a circle zip. This kind of like goes down lower than all the others, and I got this in a size extra small, which is a 6 to 8. It still fits nice and oversized and like baggy. I really like the square fit of these, and this was £8. Oh, and it's made with recycled polyester, which is absolutely amazing. I didn't even see that. I'm definitely going to spill my coffee on this at some point, but it's just really nice. I love these things. They're just, I just can't beat a half zip. A half zip is what gets me excited. A coat is what gets me excited. Autumnal colours. I just love this haul. And then the final thing I got is this pack of scrunchies. I saw a pink, like a pink, dusty pink velvet set, and I almost got that one, but then I saw this one and it was just beautiful autumnal colours. I could have bought both, but I restrained myself because I only have one head of hair. I don't need 6 scrunchies, even though I also do have an orange scrunchie here, and I have a pink one somewhere, but you know. But I just thought these were beautiful colours. Like, this one's a velvet stripy one, this one is a dogtooth brown and black one in like a cotton material, and again this one is velvet and it's got like the same kind of pattern on as this, but in black. And these are only £2, and I think they just have so many different types of scrunchies in at the moment. So if you need a scrunchie, go and get them from Primark. I need to sneeze. They're amazing, and it even says Autumn Winter 19 on the back of the packaging. That's so cute. So yeah, that was everything. I hope you enjoyed this haul. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up and comment down below what your favourite piece was, or any other places that you would like me to look at for autumn winter. I probably don't need any more clothes now. I think I'm like sorted, but if you do see anything that you think I might love, send it me on Instagram, DM me, you know, put it in the comments. I would love to see it. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye! I am absolutely sweating after that. I've had to use my scrunchie. But I hope you enjoyed the video nevertheless. Hope you enjoyed the try-on hauls. These lights, mixed with the sun shining down on me because it's like 4 o'clock,